Hello to Garbage Car Garage. So today, at last, we're gonna do some mods for performance. Let's say not mods, but just replace the old parts with the new ones that related to performance. So this is my do-it-yourself slotted brake rotors, and I'm gonna replace these instead of this old one, crappy one. So let's start this job. Firstly, you need to do is unscrew, let's say loosen the caliper. You have you will need 18 at Torx head and 13 millimeters regular one. Like 13 goes here and at Torx is going up there to unscrew the mounting thing here. So let's jump into that. It's a good idea to soak everything up with WD-40 or whatever alternative you have. And yeah, unscrew that, unscrew this. So now when I unscrew these bolts here, this caliper now is free to go. Sometimes you need a little more motivation. Yep, motivation work. Broke loose those two. Kinda hard, but with the bar you can do whatever you want. So just extend your let's say arm and you can do it pretty normal. So yeah, brake pads are out. Now let's see if I need to use these let's say rubber replacements here, or if they are alright. And it seems like they're pretty good. Sometimes these are might be seized, but that's easy going, and the rubber is clean and normal, so I guess that's gonna be alright for this time. And don't do my mistake and unscrew this brake hose. Screw before unscrewing this caliper. It's easier to break loose that bolt. Yep. Then clamp your hose for not lose your brake fluid. Now unscrew these. Wow, that was easy. Don't know why. The brake disc looks old, but these just came off. Nice. Nice. Really nice. Easy peasy. Now clean the wheel hub, and that should be done really good, because you don't want any of the dust or some debris left here, because you might spoil your rotor after that. So yep, clean that good. rotors, align that with the holes. If you have like slotted rotors, I guess there is no matter where the direction of these slots are going, but I've seen like on original application they go like that, like they go into your brake pad, so I'm putting it like that. Now when it's on, apply some brake clean to clean all that mess you made up. And I clean that with the rag. So I painted my caliper and brake pads holder in silver to match my painted brake disc. And that's it. It's not necessary, but looks nicer. So, okay, let's put this on. Slide the new pads into place. Bolt your caliper into place. And of course, squeeze the brake cylinder inside of the caliper, because the brake pads are new, so you need it to be all the way in. Now screw the brake hose into caliper. Don't forget the washer. When you will do this hose, you just wait for the brake fluid to bleed itself. You can ask for help, it will be, you know, quicker, but in my case I'm alone, so I'll just wait when the brake fluid will exit this hole, like just, you know, drips from here, and then you just screw the nipple in, and that's it. Ignore this. I had, you know, to grind the caliper here to fit my, you know, winter 13 inches. I'll put some grease here to save it from water, and I guess that's it. Now jump to the other side of the car. Thank you for watching. See you next time.